Hello friends, hi, this is Darshika and welcome to my channel Crocheters. Over here in today's video I'll be explaining you the change in size of project every time you do. Like suppose you are making a granny square, so once you made it, it is little smaller, the other time it is a little bigger, or it has turned like very weird shape. So why this happens, let's see. So if I'm using let's use this blue color or medium weight for yarn, and the recommended hook size for this yarn is 5 mm hook. So I've taken over here a hook which is 5 mm. So let's start with a slip knot. So and first let's observe this. Over here there are 4 chain stitches which I have made, like 4 strings of chain stitch, and I have used same hook in the first, second and the third chain stitch. But as you can see, and the number of stitches which have been made, chains have been made, is 10. So the size of this is this much, and this is a little bigger, and it is turning in between, and the size of this particular chain using the same hook is smaller, and the stitches are looking quite, the stitches are very tight. And over here I have used uh, the different hook size than the recommended one. I have used 2.5 mm hook. So this one, the stitches over here are too tight and the size has become quite small than the first one. So this one is the perfect stitch, the tension of the yarn while making chain stitches was equal for each and every chain, so it looks like same throughout. And over here you can see the stitches are, some stitch are tight, some are too loose, and it turns in between, curls in between. So this is not the proper tension. So now let's see how to hold the hook and the yarn so that you can make the project like square or anything which is similar in size every time you make it. So let's use the recommended hook size, which is 5 mm over here, and this is acrylic, 100% acrylic yarn, which is medium weight 4. So now I'll make a slip knot. So I'll insert the hook over here like this, and I'll pull the loose this working thread, and I'll make it tight. So now I'll start making chain stitches. So over here, to make the chain stitch you have to yarn over and pull the yarn. So now the trick over here to have the stitch every time same in size is to hold the stitch, hold the stitch with your thumb. So now I'm holding the stitch, and again yarn over and pull out the thread. So as soon as I've made the second chain, I'll keep my thumb on the second stitch, and again yarn over and pull out, yarn over and pull out. So I've made 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is the 5th chain. So as soon as I'm going making chains, I'm holding that chain stitches with my thumbs, the latest chain stitch. So now this is the 6th chain. So I'm moving it again, I'm holding it over here. This is the 7th chain. This is the 8th chain, and this is the 9th chain, and this one is the 10th chain. So let's count again. So over here you can see the first chain, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and this one is 10th. So now let me cut this yarn. So over here, so this particular chain stitch was made in the similar way, and this is also having 10 chain stitches, and this string also has 10 chain stitch. So let's measure the size of both the strings. So over here, as you can see, the size of both of this is same. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So if I make a project using this technique, every time my the size of my project will be same and it will not differ. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe my channel if you liked my content.